Experiencing login problems with ALDI Mobile? You're not alone. Many users face issues with password resets, two-factor authentication, 2FA, and Captchas. Let's break down common problems and how to fix them. First, try the basic steps. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, clear your app cache, and restart your device. If those don't work, let's dive deeper into each specific issue. For password reset issues, make sure the email or phone number linked to your account is up to date and check your spam folder. Password resets often fail if the account email is outdated. If you're having trouble with 2FA, consider using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator instead of SMS, as SMS can be delayed. A common issue is SMS delays due to carrier issues. App-based 2FA is more reliable. Lastly, for Captcha problems, try clearing your browser cache or using incognito mode. Captcha errors often arise from poor image loading or browser incompatibilities. If problems persist, check ALDI Mobile's website for real-time troubleshooting guides or contact their support team for assistance.